Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best vinyl siding patch is probably one of the most important purchases a homeowner can make when facing the unfortunate reality of damaged vinyl siding. This video will guide you through the process of selecting the perfect patch, ensuring a seamless repair that blends flawlessly with your existing siding, restoring your home's curb appeal and protecting it from further damage. We'll explore various types of patches, installation techniques, and crucial factors to consider, empowering you to tackle this repair project with confidence and achieve professional-looking results. Number 5. Mendyl Vinyl Repair Kit. Say goodbye to unsightly cracks and holes. This kit makes repairing your vinyl siding quick and easy, saving you time and money. It can withstand extreme temperatures, from freezing to scorching heat. Use it indoors or outdoors, it's built to last through all seasons. Easily cut it to any size and shape you need. Its white color makes painting to match your existing siding a breeze. Each patch is generously sized to cover even significant damage. Repair large holes and cracks with ease. The patches are designed to be easily painted, so you can perfectly match your existing colors or add a personal touch. No need for professional help. Just peel, stick, and paint. It's that easy. What we like. It can withstand extreme weather conditions. Its size can be easily customized with scissors. If you need a versatile patch that you can paint to match your existing siding, this is the one for you. What people say. I used the whole patch and put 2 coats of Benjamin Moore paint on it before installing it. I cannot find the patch lines at all. The application was easy. The color was so close that we almost didn't bother painting it. The attached picture shows the before and after of the first fix we did, which happened to be the largest hole we had near the gutter. The results were even better on the later applications because I finally remembered to actually feather the paint properly. Something to note, don't expect a heavy, thick application. This made the painting a breeze. We experienced no edge curl-up, no insufficient adhesion, and super important, no poorly machined pieces with bad edges. And as I write this, all applications have had no adverse reaction to cold or warm weather, or the rain, nor the hose. Number 4. Vinyl Siding Repair Kit. Is your vinyl siding showing its age? Don't worry, it's easy to fix those unsightly cracks and holes. This kit makes repairs simple and effective. This kit provides everything you need for a professional-looking repair. It's designed for a perfect match to your existing siding. Just clean the area, peel off the backing, stick it on, and flatten it out. It's that easy. It's made from durable PVC and can withstand temperatures from 5 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. It's built to last. You'll receive 6 convenient patches and a helpful user's manual. Everything you need to get started is right here. Each patch measures 6.3 inches by 4.75 inches, providing ample coverage for most repairs. You'll get a perfect, seamless finish. It's made from a thin piece of PVC, designed to blend seamlessly with your existing vinyl siding. Repair your siding quickly and easily. What we like. This kit comes with 6 patches, giving you extra coverage. It's incredibly easy to install, just clean, peel, stick, and paint. If you need a cost-effective solution with multiple patches and a wide temperature tolerance, this is a great choice. What people say. These are easy to use and cover well. Went on very easy, looked great. The color match was almost perfect. Don't know how durable they will be, but if applied to a clean surface they should last for a long time. It seems to stick very well and the color has seemed to have adapted to the siding without any paint. Number 3. Vinyl Siding Repair Kit. It's so easy to use. Just trim it to size with scissors, clean the surface, peel off the backing, stick it on, and paint to match. No special tools are needed. You get 20 pieces in this kit, each measuring 6 by 8 inches. That's plenty to cover most repairs around your home. Made from tough PVC, it's weather resistant and sticks firmly. It can even handle temperatures from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 130 degrees Fahrenheit, perfect for indoor or outdoor use. Plus, it's great for more than just siding. Its neutral color makes it easy to paint or customize to match your existing decor. Get creative and personalize your repairs. From fixing holes and blemishes on vinyl siding to patching up furniture, this kit is a practical solution for all your home repair needs. What we like. You get 20 large patches in this kit, perfect for extensive repairs. They're easy to apply and can be used on various surfaces. If you have a lot of damage to repair and need a truly versatile solution, this kit is for you. What people say. Holds up in weather. Easy to apply. Blends in and is not noticeable that there is a patch. 1 year later and still working. These are a great solution for small holes that aren't structurally causing issue. It was easy to apply and in small holes you could barely see it. Great inexpensive fix. Number 2. Stepsaver Vinyl Siding Repair Kit. Say goodbye to unsightly damage on your vinyl siding and fences. This kit makes repairs quick and easy, restoring your home's curb appeal. It's designed for a simple, no-fuss installation. Just peel and stick it to the damaged area, no special tools or skills needed. Once it's in place, you can easily paint it to match your existing siding. It seamlessly blends in for an invisible repair. The center reinforcement patches add extra strength and stability, ensuring a long-lasting repair that can withstand the elements. The uneven edges help it blend seamlessly into the surrounding area, making the repair virtually invisible. It's the perfect solution for a professional-looking finish. With its innovative design and easy application, it's the ideal solution for fixing damaged vinyl siding and fences quickly and effectively. What we like. It's made in the USA and designed for easy repairs. The uneven edges help it blend seamlessly with your existing siding. If you prioritize quality in a natural-looking repair, this is an excellent option. What people say. Easy to install to replace the vinyl that had few holes from wind damaged. We would buy again and recomb this product. Ordered and used twice and works just fine on vinyl siding. The two-stage process makes for a better patch. Number 1. Mendyl Vinyl Repair Kit. It withstands extreme temperatures, from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 130 degrees Fahrenheit. Use it indoors or outdoors, it's reliable all year round. This simple kit is easy to use. Cut it to size with scissors and paint it to match your existing siding, no special tools are needed. Each of the 10 patches is 612 by 434 inches. Its thin design lets your existing siding texture show through for a seamless blend. It's easy to color match and paint to blend seamlessly, even with faded siding. This is the only DIY kit that offers this simplicity. It's incredibly easy to install. The patches stick to almost any surface, making repairs quick and simple. No need to hire a contractor. What we like. This kit includes 10 durable patches that can withstand temperatures from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 130 degrees Fahrenheit. They're easy to install and paint. If you need a heavy-duty, all-weather solution, this is the one to choose. What people say. Works much better than tape as some people suggested. If you don't prep the area correctly you will not like the results. If you do, it will make a very good patch. A lot better than replacing the siding if you can't match it due to age. Easy to apply and paint. Quick, easy to apply. Ours was white on white so I did not have to paint. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.